Hi friends, this is Sri from Techie Talks AA. Agents have suddenly taken over our timelines. Everywhere you look, there is yet another video explaining what agents are supposed to do. But today, we are not talking about agents in general. We are talking about something deeper, agentic memory, the piece that actually makes an agent feel intelligent, personal, and reliable. And this isn't a lecture, this is a hands-on practical demonstration. We will see exactly how an agent learns about you, remembers you, and uses that memory to behave like a true assistant. You can directly use this part of the code in your AI chatbots. To start with, let me show you something really powerful. This is an AI agent built with Agno. And what you're about to see is true stateful intelligence, an agent that remembers who you are, learns about you over time, summarizes your sessions, and instantly recalls useful facts across runs. Let's start with a simple conversation. I have this run.py that stays in a loop asking user the questions. And we have the agent.py, which uses Agno's agentic framework. And here is the area where we define the agent. So here we are enabling user memories, session summaries, add history to context, and num history runs 3. So in Agno documentation as complete explanation of these, we will see this in action. So here I do sh run.sh space the Python script name run.py. Run.sh will just create the Python environment needed and install the dependencies. Okay, so here type exit to quit /m to print. We will test its ability to remember. So I'll type my name is Sri and I love long distance running. Okay. Okay, so agent response, absolutely Sri. Long distance running is an amazing pursuit. And it's great to see your enthusiasm for it. If there is anything you want to share or ask about running journey, I'm here to help. Okay, that is a normal chat response. So if I ask, what do you know about me so far? See here from your, I know that your name is Sri, long distance running, and you're currently training for half marathon. Okay, I'll be participating in Jan 4th, 2026 Chennai half marathon. Okay, you live in India. Okay, so again, this is not a short-term memory. This is a long-term memory stored in SQLite database. So let's give it a bit more information. Let me give it the same information again because I tested it earlier. So in the database, it remembers about me. I will also mention I usually run early in the morning. I have interacted. So look on top, these are the interactions. So here I mention my name and my hobby. And here I asked a question. Here I again added additional information. Here also I added additional information. So let's see what we can do with this. What we will do is we will type /mem and see the debug output of the memory. So if you come from top, chat history, this is the recent chat history that the agent is using for short-term context. Then we have user memories here, which is long-term facts. These are long-term memories extracted by Agno, each with a timestamp. So here she created at date and time. See here, it tags the memory with topics. So this is a topic cluster. So here, topic is name. Next one, about long distance running, topics, interests, and hobbies, it has automatically identified. See this? Then here, when I said Sri lives in India, a topic it has identified as location. See this? So depending on the information that it is getting, it is categorizing and saving it in long-term facts. So here, topics, location. Then finally, we have the session memory, and this is the automatic session memory, a compact, high signal snapshot of the entire conversation so far. Agno generates this behind the scenes, so the context remains small while the intelligence stays high. So this is the summary that we can use it in our conversation so that we keep the token count minimal, token usage minimal. So here we have just a summary. And also we have just a single phrase summary as well, long distance running, half marathon running, morning running routine. That is the memory debug output that we have created. This is where we print the memory, debug memory state. So chat history, agent.get session messages, and we print the chat history here, iterating through the messages. Then here, agent.get user memories, and then we iterate through the user memory and print the user memory. Then we have session memory, agent.get underscore session underscore memory. We get the session memory. So it is up to you to utilize these different types of memory to have the best agentic experience. So this means agent can genuinely adapt to you, learn about you, and behave consistently, just like a real assistant. This is the foundation of modern agent design. With Agno, you get memory, context management, and reasoning, all working together. All the agentic frameworks offer memory solutions, and please give your valuable comments on what you have learned from this and also your experience with other agentic memory solutions. Thank you for your time. Bye-bye. Thanks for watching. Apply these tips and level up today. Smash like if it helped. Subscribe to Techie Talks AI for deep dive and drop your biggest challenge in comments. Ready for personalized one-to-one Zoom sessions? I mentor just few students on cloud, coding, DevOps, no-code solution, AI agents, or electronics. Tailored to your goals. Limited slots. Book via the link in the description before it's gone. See you in the next video.